The court case involving Clifford Whitby and Harold Knowles is pretty complicated, but let's try to get through it. First off, let's look at the key players. The defendants in the case are Whitby, Knowles, the Central Georgia Partnership for Individual and Community Development, and Positive Ventures Initiatives. Clifford Whitby is the executive director of the Make and Promise neighborhood and the registered agent for Positive Ventures. Harold Knowles is the CEO and company general counsel for Pinnacle Construction Support Group and an attorney in the Knowles and Randolph law firm. The Central Georgia Partnership for Individual and Community Development owns the Make and Promise Center, which was intended to be used to carry out part of the Make and Promise neighborhoods initiatives. Other major players in this case are the Bibb County School District and, of course, Romain Dallemand, who was the superintendent of the Bibb County School District from 2011 to 2013. Now, here's what allegedly happened according to the indictment. Whitby is said to have at first offered a $100,000 bribe to Dallemand in exchange for Dallamand's support of the Make and Promise neighborhood. Knowles allegedly agreed to funnel the money. It went through the Central Georgia Partnership for Individual and Community Development to Positive Ventures to Knowles, who then sent a check to Dallemand. Knowles allegedly offered Dallemand stock in Pinnacle to ensure Pinnacle received construction contracts. Pinnacle never received a contract, and Dallemand never received stock in Pinnacle. Then, Knowles and Whitby allegedly offered Dallemand $500,000 to push a contract through for Proscenium software from Pinnacle. Bibb County School District purchased the software, but prosecutors say the bribe money never got to Dallemand. Pinnacle transferred $100,000 to the Knowles and Randolph law firm. It then went to Positive Ventures, which then sent $950,000 to the Central Georgia Partnership for Individual and Community Development. After that, it never got to Dallemand. The indictment says that Whitby claimed there was no money left after taxes. Then, Whitby created a limited liability company with Dallemand to allegedly continue payments through the company. In the end, prosecutors say Dallemand received upwards of $450,000 in bribes.